You know you nasty. Don't move out of my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And I don't know if you guys remember the name Sheldon, but my guy will respond for the project that I'm showing twice, and we're upon another one within the same vicinity, because as one person see how do you think, you know you get recommendation, and the last homeowner recommend this homeowner, so tada. They should come down here a couple times, go and check what go on and say, oh yeah, and give us updates on what going up a fair building. But so far so good. So now we're on this unit, and guys, my apologies. It's hard for me showing everything, as me never have no time for come up here that often, and a few times I come up here me kinda space out the gaps them. I come up here a few times already, but I never did a film, and now I decided to make a film. But this project has been going on for like a month and change now, and it basically reached belt course, so we're in a trouble. I don't show enough from the foundation come up, because they are right through, but you know we go busy. Me have some other things, and it's very difficult. This vlogging life something probably have to go employ a cameraman, but so far I just want to go down and update on what we did there in that building here, and what going overall. And as I say, we're far away. That building here can do it in 2 months. Cash flow kind of push these type of construction. So belt course, break for the Christmas, and then January morning knock again for this unit. So I did a TikTok video just giving a quick update to you guys. You can probably follow my TikTok. I'm not to do the most about it, but went on 2 times, you know? So this is a 3-bedroom unit, 2 bath. Pretty nice. The woman is overseas. Even yesterday, I was here yesterday, and this wall wasn't here. And today, the wall done. Guys, I'm gonna move pretty fast. That's crazy. So we did on a roll. We did plan for fully build the building by today, but as I can see, we're about 3/4 way with the belt course. So far so good, and Sunday is a day we plan for wrap up and put a pause on this. So as I can see, the boxing them still up, because they ended up doing some casting this morning and yesterday. Today now I finished put up the boxing them on the other side. As you can see, that thing complete. There's a box coming right down and cast to that Friday. As I said, we want to finish Sunday. It's another small bedroom with a closet. Smallest bedroom is 10 by 10, excluding the closet. Linen bedroom. Yes. Bathroom. His and hers. This tile kind of tuck with like a water closet, like Nothing too crazy, as you can see. Sometimes the boxing give you like a trouble. You have to kind of chip it up back. As you can see, nothing too crazy in terms of the type of construction. It's a simple strip footing foundation, 1-story unit. It's going to be roof. When I probably want to see that part there when they might roof it. And yeah, nice little quick little thing. As I said, these units can be constructed in like 2 months, brother. 3 months tops, as long as the cash flow is right. And I know these projects go sometime. See the floor there, you can't set, especially sometime when an NHD project, you know, NHD like a building. So you have to close up here and then you can do what you do inside there. It's a cash flow, cash flow, cash flow. So yeah, quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little update here. If I'm not seeing you again before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If I'm not seeing you again before New Year, Happy New Year. But we're still here at work. Still here I take on you guys, and we're still here I assist you guys. Who remember this unit? Who remember this unit? Our first unit over here. Yes, I.
I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road and sell stuff. If you so in love, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear.
Good morning, team Ismash. New day, new little thing. So basically for the Christmas we do a little clean up, project, and not too much, just clean up the place, the sidewalks in particular, and the roadway, the drains, things like that. So yeah, I will use that little project and close out the vlog here. This is the last one, 2-3 days.
First, let me get that introduction.